Welcome to MVP Auto Pro, your hub for in-depth motorcycle insights, reviews, and the latest updates in the two-wheeler world. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic beginner-friendly sport bikes that has captured the hearts of riders globally, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R3. This new iteration carries Yamaha's racing DNA while offering a fresh, refined experience for both new and seasoned riders. Let's explore what the latest R3 brings to the table. Design and styling sharper and more aerodynamic. The 2025 YZF-R3 takes design inspiration straight from Yamaha's bigger supersport siblings like the R7 and R1. The bike now features a more aggressive front fascia with sleeker twin LED headlights and a central air intake that improves both cooling and aerodynamics. The fairing design has been slightly revised to enhance wind deflection, making highway rides smoother. Its low-slung profile, angular tank, and upswept tail section give it that unmistakable supersport look. The 2025 model introduces new color schemes with bold graphics, ensuring that it turns heads on the street and track alike. Engine and performance, smooth, refined, and capable. Under the fairings, the YZF-R3 retains its proven 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine. Producing around 42 horsepower and 29.5 newton-meters of torque, the bike offers a balanced mix of beginner-friendly torque and enough top-end excitement to keep experienced riders engaged. The engine is mated to a slick 6-speed transmission, and Yamaha's fine-tuning has made the throttle response smoother than ever. Whether you're commuting through traffic, carving twisty roads, or doing a weekend track session, the R3 feels responsive and composed. Chassis and handling built to inspire confidence. The 2025 Yamaha R3 continues to use the diamond-type steel frame, which provides an ideal balance between rigidity and flexibility. Upside-down 37mm KYB front forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock offer excellent stability and damping. With a lightweight body and a low seat height of just around 30.7 inches, this bike is incredibly approachable, especially for newer riders. The handling is sharp and predictable, making it perfect for city riding and spirited weekend rides. Braking and safety confident and controlled. Stopping power comes from a 298mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, paired with dual-channel ABS for added safety. Yamaha has refined the braking system for better feel and more linear bite, giving riders more confidence during aggressive braking or in wet conditions. The addition of traction control for 2025 enhances safety and makes the R3 more forgiving, especially for those learning the ropes of high-rev riding. Tech and features: simple, smart, and functional. The YZF-R3 features a fully digital LCD instrument cluster that displays essential data like speed, gear position, RPM, fuel efficiency, and trip information. It's easy to read in all lighting conditions and adds to the bike's modern appeal. While it doesn't go overboard with electronic rider aids, its simplicity is part of the charm. What it offers is intuitive, practical, and aimed squarely at giving riders what they need without overcomplication. Final verdict: a true supersport starter. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R3 remains one of the best entry-level sport bikes on the market. With its refined engine, sharp looks, balanced chassis, and track-inspired spirit, it continues to be the go-to choice for new riders who want more than just basic performance. And for experienced bikers, it's a lightweight, nimble machine that still delivers serious fun. If you're in the market for a stylish, reliable, and capable lightweight supersport, look no further than the R3. Outro: subscribe for more from MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for watching MVP Auto Pro. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R3, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest bike reviews and updates. Until next time, keep riding smart and stay safe.